Hello, my name is Matthew Dwork. Today we're going to be going over supply chain design for Dirt Movers LLC. Today we're going to be discussing the pros and cons of the network designs of Amazon and Walmart and analyzing what will work best for my company. I will discuss the best practices that will be adopted from either company and how they will be utilized in Dirt Movers LLC to better our services to our customers. So Amazon uses the process of multi-location order fulfillment to sell products to a third-party seller. Amazon stores the seller's goods in their fulfillment centers located all over the United States and the world. And when customers purchase the items, they handle the shipping, helping sellers and customers get the products quickly and on time. The system in place also reduces shipping costs and increases delivery speeds. Outsourcing shipping to Amazon can help with providing Dirt Movers LLC with the opportunity to save money on parcel costs, as well as advancements in technology that we will not have to research into. Additionally, utilizing the 3PL will give us time to focus on the core of the business, growing our customer base, and perfecting what we do best, and that's moving dirt. Walmart, however, uses the JIT system, which is the just-in-time system, which is a technique used to reduce inventories to a minimum by arranging for supplies to be delivered just in time to be used. For an example, the company Walmart orders just enough for their supplier that they need to cover what they need, no more, no less. The strategy is useful for reducing warehouse space usage. Another good reason to use the just-in-time system is it uses a faster turnaround of stock and prevents goods from becoming damaged while sitting in storage, reducing waste. Also preventing the old stock from being stored and having to be replaced over time since they only order what they need. They will not have much to replace when it becomes obsolete. The just-in-time system is an ideal system for smaller companies that do not wish to have significant investment in their stock. By ordering merchandise when they need, they can maintain a healthy cash flow. Each location for Amazon's warehouse will have its contract for storage and services, which means paying double for inventory and handling costs, which makes it difficult for businesses to offset the costs. These are cons for Amazon. Utilizing 3PLs from each part of the country also means that we'll be utilizing different systems, services, and cultures from each place we ship from. This can cause issues with communication from shipper to customer. With the more options to move products all over the vast network of Amazon, this also means we must work on planning and forecasting and coordinating to ensure customers get what they need to be using Amazon's 3PL technology. Lastly, giving trust into a 3PL, I must highly depend on them to deliver my product to the customer on time at a good price and not damaged. It takes a lot to give trust away to another company to handle that part of the business. Walmart's supply chain cons. The just-in-time system can leave manufacturers vulnerable to supply shocks. These shocks can lead to the inability to meet the current demands. Additionally, they can also lead to a price shock if the just-in-time system parts involved in the production process is assumed to remain constant. However, when price shocked, the company's profit margin can be significantly affected. Implementing the just-in-time system is also complex, and we would have to rethink the entire workflow of the business. Everything from the raw materials to the delivery to the finished products, we would need rethinking and redesigning. This considering would be very expensive to bring on a massive commitment to the company just to utilize the just-in-time system for Dirt Movers LLC. Dirt Movers LLC will be utilizing a third-party logistics group to find the solutions to move our products to our customers. We'll be utilizing a bidding process searching for the cheapest deals to move our lanes across the United States to our receiving locations. By using a dispatch team, we can broker better deals with our trucks to find the best routes for our customers. I believe the best strategy for Dirt Movers LLC is to outsource our third-party logistics and focus more on the core of the business, and that would significantly increase our business by allowing us further reach to customers for our services, allowing us to generate new revenue streams. Additionally, I believe we can cut costs in supply chain spending utilizing 3PLs. By allowing industry-leading companies to handle the logistics, we can focus more on the product and where we can improve. Reviewing the examples of how Amazon and Walmart do their shipping and logistics to the customer has given us great insight into how successful supply chain works. Today, we'll be moving forward adopting some principles of what we learned from them more accurately. Amazon's utilizing the 3PL seller network. I see that adapting that into our business by brokering our trucks, and we can offer better rates to our customers, and we have more extensive coverage for the United States, bringing in new revenue. All right, thank you for your time. Have a good day.